Hey guys, wanted to make this quick little video. In comparison, I want to show you the difference between a percolator and the new Keurig Smart, the K Supreme Smart. So I bought this because of one other person made a review and she had hooked it up to her Alexa, and I thought it would be really kind of funny to do this because I think it's a kick and it's an amazing little machine. So we had the other one. It was a single serve, the one where you pour your water into the top there for your cup and then just put it down and it brews 1 cup. And then we have this one. So I have a percolator that has, we just made some coffee there. And I wanted to show you the difference between the quality. So this is supposed to be able to identify what type of pod that you're putting in to brew the most perfect cup. But I only have generic pods for this particular one. So I wanted to show you the speed, the quality of the coffee, and unfortunately I don't have a thermometer, so I can't tell you the temperature, but I will tell you it is very hot when you put it on extra hot. So with that, let's get this turned on. Alexa, enable Keurig.
Okay, here's Keurig. You can ask me to turn power on, make coffee, or say help to hear other options. What would you like?
Turn power on. Okay.
Switching on brewer.
All right. So let's do that. And it's got this really cute little LED light. I kind of like it. So do that. Alexa, brew me an 8-ounce cup of coffee, extra hot.
It is recommended to brew coffees in the coffee pot for 5 minutes at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Use 1 to 2
Alexa,
tablespoons of liquid.
cancel that. I forgot you have to tell her to enable Keurig every time. Alexa, enable Keurig.
Okay, here's Keurig. You can ask me to turn power on, make coffee, or say help to hear other options. What would you like?
Brew me a 6-ounce cup of coffee that's extra hot. Probably should put a cup under there.
Starting brewing. Please, make sure you have a mug in place.
That's it. Now I'll tell you there's an empty one in there, but it's really super quiet. So what I want to show you now is the difference between this coffee that just came out of this machine and the coffee that just came out of the percolator. Same strength. The single serve was much lighter than this one, and I did not make the brew strength extra strong, just extra hot. So anyway, that's the Keurig K Supreme Smart. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I hope you found it helpful.
Alexa, turn coffee machine on.
Okay.
Alexa, ask Keurig to brew my coffee.
Starting brew. Please, make sure you have a mug in place.
Qué chulería esto, ¿ah? Estoy Lucía. Alexa por fin me puede hacer café.
Alexa, make me a cup of coffee.
My daughter, she will not understand that, sir, but he's already on the plane. Trust you will treat him with the same courtesy that you
Alright, got my new Keurig, and look, open the box, bam, cracked. Unbelievable. Unreal, man. Cracked. Look how bad that is. How could you not know?
I have more color on there, but yeah, I'm OCD when it comes to colors.